If you checked out my Lego Land Rover time-lapse video build, you may have noticed the moving time-lapse shots. Well, I used the Grip Gear Motorized slider for those. This is a modular slider system, so that means you can buy more tracks to make your track longer, or accessories for different cameras and different fittings. This little motor is great for small cameras like GoPros or phones, but it's even able to move cameras that are slightly bigger, like the Sony a6300, which I'm using right now. And then when it gets to the end of the track, there's a little button, so when it hits the track, it automatically goes in the opposite direction. And with a small camera, like a GoPro, you can even go vertically, up and down. I mostly just use this slider for time lapses, and I find that it adds an amazing element. So if you're looking for a small, lightweight motorized system to throw into your next time lapse, check out this Grip Gear slider system.